All right, guys. Hello. I'm going live with some chart analysis now. I know most people don't watch the live videos, but this is, we've got the New York Open a little while ago. I was watching the Euro US dollar. So as you can see here, I've established the resistance zone at 1.71. So some concerns with this currently. How this candle is looking like it's going to close in 4 minutes is not particularly favorable, to be honest. So I think this camera's doing pretty good justice here. So you sort of zoom out here, go to the 4 hourly, and you can see it's just sort of respected the range. So I got a little excited on this. It did bounce off the trend line here, but even from a daily perspective, very choppy, a lot of overhead resistance. But it's, something worth to point out about, because I know people do watch the Euro. I mean, the play would have been probably down on the 15-minute time frame, and the trade would have been something along the lines of here. Not here, because that's a bit of a fake out. It consolidates and moves a little bit higher. Entry would have been about there. I'm not trading the 15-minute time frame quite yet on my live account. I'm back testing and I'm forward testing using the demo trading platform on Lander as well. So I'm on my phone. I apologize. Things are going pretty crazy. There was a move I captured in the US stock market as well on MYND. I won't discuss that here. I'll just keep it Forex related. But as you can see, it really has respected the resistance level, the Euro US dollar right there. So what I will go to now is the Oz CAD. All right, so the Oz CAD, yep. So the trick is, I'm an eager beaver as well when it comes to making trades, but this candle here is really good. That's a good candle, but in the context of where it is to the left, you can see that, it's had a few interactions here, and you want to wait for that candle to close, and then you want this candle, and you sort of want to wait to, see what it does. And thank you as well. Someone's commented. I appreciate that, Matt. So look, let's go to the 15-minute and see what it's really doing. So look, as you can see, we go down and we really want to see the nitty gritty currently. So the New York is open. The New York session is open. We've had a bit of a bounce. This is tempting to me, but what I want to see is I sell into weakness. So I want this candle continue pushing lower. And, right now would be a bit of a 50-50 play. And I really like to keep the probability in my favor. So it is in a downtrend, and it, recently. So, and I like to sell into weakness. So we go to the 4 hour time frame. You can see it's been pretty uneventful. It had a little bit of a rally at the start of the last week on Friday, and we're back to where we sort of started at the end of last week. So we go to the daily chart. That candle is engulfing a little bit, but I wanted to just do a live thing. I was going to do a live one on the laptop, but I can't capture the screen. So I just thought my phone's not too bad. I've got a Samsung S9. So if the quality is pretty good, I'll do this again. I'll do this throughout the whole week just to see and monitor things. But when you really go from a daily perspective, it is tempting on the hourly, but it really needs to just weaken a little bit more before I jump into this. So we'll wait and see. As you can see, that's not really a bearish candle. That candle that just closed for the 11 o'clock close is not, that's not really bearish, unfortunately. It's more neutral, but we'll wait and see. If things start collapsing and I take a sell trade, I'll capture it live as well. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now. More updates to come, probably realistically. I want to see how, I will want to see how this candle closes. And that will be on the 4 hourly. That will be at 1 a.m. Perth time. So that's pretty late if people are watching in the eastern states. But, that's what I really want to look for, to see how that current candle closes and if it really wants to collapse. But other than that, happy trading, guys. Stay safe, and bye for now.